guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading! Hello everyone, this is chapter 57. Let's start reading. Then, what should we do? Should we just do nothing? Oh, just let your sister do everything. Shut up. Step by step, Jinshi will eventually reveal some flaws soon. Mhm. The deeper the hatred, the more revenge must be sought with rationality. I understand now. I won't be reckless anymore. No. Kasi tinuring na niyang mother yun, no? Si Jinshin. Yun pala may hidden agenda for them, sa mga siblings niya. You need to work on your impatience. Be a stronger and wiser man. Speaking of it, Liang Zhang's cough has improved a lot. It's time to change the prescription and help him stand up again. Oh, okay, so he could still stand up. You see? So hindi naman pala siya lumpot talaga, no? It's maybe because of deficiency or medicine that Jinshi kept on giving to him. After all, Yangjiang is also the age of marriage. The rehabilitation will take at least 6 months. We can't delay any longer. Mm. Yangjiang is truly, as rumored, so charming. It's a pity that he's not in a good health and can't even stand firmly. Yes, I heard that he hasn't found a much this year, and Marcus Yao rarely lets him attend buckets. Hmm, even if he's good looking, it's a pity. Grabe naman tong mga maritas na to. Mm, Talagang sa likod pa niya nagsalita. Ah. Rinig na rinig niya. During the coming to age ceremony, Liang Jiang showed up but left soon after. He must have heard a lot of gossip. In a trance. Mancha? Hmm? Bansha now have truly fallen out with the Jin family, but Jin Shi still manages the accounts. They will definitely seek revenge on the Yao mansion. Don't worry, I have a plan. Hmm. And what's your plan? Jinshi will surely use money to suppress her father, so it's time to compete with them financially. So yung cream business niya, no? Yung facial cream. Di ba malakas yun? Tingnan natin kung yun ba yung gagamitin niya. Or what? Maybe she will use another method of suppressing the money. The next morning, Yao mentioned Ancestral Hall. Miss Changdai was punished for her improper behavior and getting too close to Prince Tuan. Miss Changdai? Ah, yung sister. Okay. After the coming of age ceremony, the power within the mansion will probably be redistributed. We need to be clever from now on. Ay, parang ano, gumagawa sila ng issue among the maids. So, merong mga ano, tawag to, kampi-kampi portion. Changdai, Bansha that wench is Prince One's fiancé after all. Mm-hmm, that's correct. Bet ka na nga agaw. No matter how well Prince Tuan treats you, your relationship with him must remain private. It cannot be publicly displayed, or else people will mock you. Ah, gullible pa rin naman pala kayo. You still know about those things. But of course, yan yung ginawa mong tricks before, di ba? So that you will be married to the Marcus family. Mother, I will remember. Deliver water. Is she still kneeling? Yeah, guess so. But you must hold into Prince Tuan's heart firmly. The engagement between Bansha and Prince Tuan is actually a good thing, because it means she has no chance with the Crown Prince. Oh no, the Crown Prince loved Bansha. So yung target naman nila, na-change na naman yung target nila. Instead Prince Tuan, it would be the Crown Prince. Tsa, ba talaga tong mag-inang to, no? So you also need to put more effort into the Crown Prince. What, seriously? Binubugang niya yung anak niya. Grabe talaga mag-ano tong nanay na to, no? You've captured the two most powerful princes in the court. The future empress will surely be you. Huh? Seriously? Wishful thinking? But His Highness the Crown Prince hasn't even liked me. Yep, he likes Pansha more than you. In a dilemma. Moreover, if Prince Tuan finds out that I have feelings for the Crown Prince, won't he get angry? Silly girl, be more careful. It's always good to be fully prepared. Ba't talaga itong mag-inang to, no? Many influential men pursued me back then, but I stubbornly choose your incapable and idle father, sacrificing my whole life. You must not make the same mistake. The same mistake? Yeah, your mistake there is to push yourself to the man who doesn't love you. So bakit ginagawa mo again sa anak mo? Repeating the history? Ganon? Mother, after the chaos at the coming to age ceremony, you and father were not getting along. Mm-hmm. After everything's done, do you think okay pa rin yung relationship nila? What will happen to us in the Yao mansion? With your grandfather still alive, your father won't dare divorce me. We'll have to keep up the superficial harmony. So if ever pag namatay yung father mo, there's a big possibility na magde-divorce kayo. So dapat pagdasal mo na mahaba pa yung buhay ng tatay mo. I have a plan in mind. Ano naman yung mga evil plans niya. Fall arrives, grandmother's stayed outside the imperial city. Oh, laki. Laki ng ano nila, lupain. Miss Bansha, the great madam's estate, has 100 acres of fertile land planted with crops. Although this year's harvest is average, at least there is some profit. Manager Wang. Maliit lang yung kita. Ang laki ng ano, lupain pero maliit lang yung kita. As for the three shops in town, they only serve tea and snacks. They may not earn much money, but at least they are not losing. Hindi ko mabasa yung ano niya. Look. Living through account book. Is it enough for you as long as there is just a little profit? Enough na sa kanya yun. Kasi di naman sa kanya yung business na yan eh. Sa lola mo naman yan, kaya okay lang sa kanya kahit walang income. Miss, the great madam said she only seeks stability, not profit. So okay na sa iyo kahit konti lang yung income. Basta mayroon. Nervous. As long as the estate and shops can be kept, it's enough. I see. For sure mapapalitan ka. No wonder Jinshi controlled everything in the Yao family, but didn't touch grandmother's land and shops. It turns out she didn't see any profit in it. Mm, follow the plan on their blueprint. take over. Remodel the 100 acres of land within half a month? Miss, what is this? It's a large greenhouse. We can grow vegetables and fruits in winter. Ooh, even in winter. That's great. The wealthy build greenhouses to raise exotic flowers and plants for enjoyment and leisure. Unbelievable. Miss Bancha wants to grow vegetables. Yep, Miss, vegetables are not worth much in the first place. The cost of building a greenhouse is immense. Ito nakikiano ka talaga, yan yung gusto niya. And it's large scale. How much firewood will it take to supply heat? It will cost so much. Miss, it's too wasteful and extravagant to build such a large greenhouse just for growing vegetables. Sarcastic, Aunt Zhang macking. We never did this thing on the state before. Before, not now. It was Badger's idea, so just listen to them. Listen to her. Right, that's the end of this chapter. Let's see what will happen. There's no preview in the next chapter, so that's so sad. Anyway, let's see what will happen. Yeah, please don't forget to like. See ya. Bye.
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye.